Hello everyone, welcome to On Top Indicators. In today's video, I want to go through this is the last video of the Chaikin Money Flow Indicator, and this time I'm testing the daily chart for the Forex Euro USD pair. So once again, like I said in my previous videos, the Chaikin Money Flow this is what it looks like, and we're going to be taking a long position whenever the line crosses above the zero line. So right there, we'd be taking a long position up there. Here, we don't take a long position just because we're already in the trade and we're waiting to get out. Okay, so then we don't go in, and then right in here it goes back above, so we're in again. Once we get out, we wait for it to go above the zero line again right there, and we go in once again. Okay, so what we're trying to figure out today is the best settings to use for the Chaikin oscillator, for the Chaikin Money Flow Oscillator, which is two different things. So we only have the length to mess around with, so there's not a lot of moving parts to the Chaikin, at least not for the settings for the money flow. Let's see what those default strategies would have ended up with. Again, we have the length is set at 20, our stop loss is at 2.2%, and our take profit is also at 2.2%, which is exactly half of what the ATR of the entire testing period was. So this should tell us whether the signal works and how good it is. So for the default settings, we have the length set at 20. And we would have been up 28.56%, which is actually not bad. This is probably the best results for the default settings of an indicator that I've seen for a little bit anyway. Okay, so we start here. We went up a little bit. There's a little bit of a drawdown. So we actually a 16.34% drawdown. So that's actually fairly significant. And then we're back up again. So we're up for a total of 28.56. Now, if you wanted to use these settings by themselves, they're not terrible. But if you really want to maximize this oscillator, the Chaikin Money Flow Oscillator in the Euro USD one-day chart, what you're going to want to do is change that length all the way down to 4. So what happens then is you go up to 39.95% in profit, and let's see what that does. So your edge is 4.97%. As you can see here, your win percentage rate is 54.97. It's a fairly good line coming up. We do have a drawdown here of 20%, which is a pretty big drawdown considering that we only went up 40%. So about a 50% drawdown of what your profit was at the end. But overall, it's not bad. If you're already using the Chaikin Money Flow Oscillator, or you're testing it because you're thinking about using it, definitely start out with the settings set at 4, the length set at 4, rather than the default settings, which is 24. It's just going to get you better results. But again, you should test it, right? Test the 4, test it at 20, see what happens, see which one you like best, which one works better for your strategy. All right, nice and quick and easy video today, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Now, if you're still struggling with trading concepts like where to place your stop loss or how to fully maximize a winning trade if you're already in one and you're making money, then head on over to ontopindicators.com and sign up to the email list. In that list, I walk you through the best indicators and strategies to use for every trading scenario that you may encounter. So anything that you'd be struggling with, I walk you through just about all those things. And if there's something that I don't walk you through, then feel free to send me an email, talk to me, tell me what you're struggling with, and I'll do my best to help you out and point you in the right direction. Once again, that's ontopindicators.com. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.